everything.
Alright, Fanny from Akote says,
See them.
Barrister Musa,
What's it? No, what's that? You not see it, but I hear they see them. See them. See them. Wait to put this in me. So unfortunate that this truck is not moving fast.
Moving fast.
What I will do, I will okay. I'll zoom. See them. Sure. I go do story with this thing.
To be considered unemployed, a person must be an active member of.
I'll go back. If this morning I'll go straight to RRS office. I allow I go work this morning. I'll go straight to Alausa.
Making it into the team of the tournament in the chorus.
Today, premium tomorrow.
So some of them will settle in this area, some of them will.
Now they know what they will not say that. I'm from Niger. People from Niger, we don't even know where they are from. We don't even know. Say, let me.
State is complicit in the smuggling, and the Nigerian state is actually.
Fuluke Dari. Yes, good morning.
Only the 2022 are the same. Only the 2022 are the same.
Save that one, Abby.
Yeah, you're safe. You're safe. This one.
Part the shot officers to the world, with African Guardiola, former captain of.
Well, no, the last football that was still going on.
There is a court to decide who then reported the matter to the police.
All of them are going to settle down.
Separate place.
Because Sunny, they're tied.
That's according to McAfee.
This thing when they allow for here.
We can speak.
It's about the growth and the development of this game, so I don't just want.
But the first shinkafa tastes even better. How did you make it? Women who use only seed.
Yes, I think I should have
I really want to see the number of that truck. People when they go enter Lagos. People who visit means of livelihood. No, we have to see. Now that settlement now, they're coming to Kara.
Amy, how you doing? What's happening?
They don't almost reach Kara, so they can't come down. Maybe they will no one come down.
Now the strategy when they give them,
they
they start coming down gradually.
Yes.
So some people are still inside.
Yes.
People are still inside.
Have their catalyst converter stolen, and surely that the important part of their vehicle have been taken away. The vehicle will be sounding like muffler on or the exhaust system is damaged, and it will seriously affect the performance of the vehicle. So I'm advising Nigerians that when they drop their vehicles in any workshop, they pay attention to the sound of the vehicle before driving.
Yes, I've told them there's police at Carao.
Thank you very much.
Blah, blah, blah.
Well, they passed police for road yet. Okay, they passed those police before they started dropping.
Okay.
Yeah, they didn't drop in the presence of the policemen.
Additional was Uniproj. It says on PDP crisis, the crisis will continue because the party threw away because the party threw.
No, don't record down those one first. I calm down.
We'll take this message. The message is later. All right. So keep your messages coming in on 070-317-56537.
English now, they won't understand.
Radio WFM 91.7, and the newspaper review is where we get to review the dailies across different Nigerian newspapers, and we get to analyze them. My name is Esther Alaribe, and I have with me Adenike Kodri. Our analyst for the morning is Adeyemi Adeyemi. Yes, we've been going through the headlines. What do you think about the ones we've taken so far?
They are bringing them every day.
317-56537 for you to be a part of the conversation. Now, going over to this one on the Nation newspapers, this one says, I will only support APC candidates in 2023, says Buhari. Now, President Muhammadu Buhari has stated that he would only support candidates of the
video will not be too long.
APC across the board in 2023.
How many 6 minutes?
Now, saying that the candidates outside the party banking on his support probably are on their own. And now he's
I will send it to YouTube. Put it on YouTube.
Making controversial comments capable of hurting the image of the government and chances of this party winning.
The Hausas are being people from Niger are dropping with lorry loads every day between Lagos and Ibadan, Lagos and Ogun State, and nobody is doing anything. They are successfully beating security people. They make sure that they start dropping immediately after passing all those policemen on the road. You know, start dropping along the road to beat security forces, and they are all heading to Kara, where they are building settlement now. So the security forces must act to avoid this danger.
Okay, I'm just going to support people of my party. Oh yes, we know already. You don't have to rub it in. You don't have to tell us that. We're just supporting
that first video is still there, they're just coming down to
I'll upload them.
I want us to screen this thing. For those people that are there, you will understand that